All right, here we go. Well, I'm gonna give you a tour of my ADU. It's a detached ADU. Has about 448 square feet. It's 16 by 28. And we'll show you the outside first. On this side, we have the mini split AC system and heat pump. And this other pole right here is the cable for the internet. It's coming underground and it's going to the main house. And in the back, we have the mandatory 4-foot setback, and there's the electrical panel. And then here is the water heater. It's a gas water heater. Let's see if we can open the electrical panel. Oh, it has more locks, but the electrical panel was new. And then that's the drain for the washer and dryer, and obviously the vent for the dryer. So we'll go around the other side so you can get a glimpse of the whole outside. I built it on one corner of the backyard so that I would have this patio so that we could make it kind of like a pool house. And these are the lights. And then here's the other side of the unit. This side had to be 5 feet because of the electrical wires for Edison. So they have a 5-foot easement on my side of the property. So we'll go inside. And the unit was built about how many? 3. We finished about a month and a half ago. Okay, so this is the entrance, and let me turn off the TV. All right, so again, let's go back out here towards the entrance, and there is a kitchen. It's a 6-foot countertop here by the sink with floating shelves, a microwave and a stove. The microwave and the stove are 24 inches wide, so it's apartment size. And my pots and pans are up here because I just cooked dinner. I was having some pasta, and you can see I was eating and drinking already. But I decided to do a tour. Then we have the trash can holder here, a 24-inch refrigerator. This refrigerator is a Magic Chef, and it's only 10.1 cubic feet. I don't have a lot because, again, I just moved in about a month and a half ago. And here's some of the stuff. Again, it's pretty empty. We have a pantry here, and there's some food here, but not a lot. Again, I still live in the main house, and that's my bar. I need to figure out where to create a bar. And this is the Pioneer mini split system, and it cools pretty good. Oh, and here are the plans to the house. I wanted to show you. That's what the plans look like. Again, it's 16 by 28, and this is what the drawings look from the outside. I paid about $2,100 to get the plans done, and then I had to go get revisions, so I paid an extra $500. So $2,600 for the plans, and it has the full set. I walked them to the city myself, and then there were maybe, I would say, about $1,500 for plan checks and $2,000 for permits. So yeah, so it was about $6,500 for the plans to get them approved. And then this is the living room. This particular sectional is from IKEA, and he pulls out. So you just grab this, you pull it out all the way, and then you flip it up and it turns into a queen size bed. That's a 60-inch TV, and that is my coffee table, which is a storage chest, and I haven't put up the clock yet. I don't know where to put it. And some of these decorations are from IKEA, so that mat, that rug is from IKEA. The TV is from Costco, and up here I have my extender that goes to the main house. So I still live in the main house. I mean, I still own it, and my family lives there. My son, my daughter, and my dad. And but I moved to the back unit. The back unit came out so nice that I decided to move back here. And the floor is from is a laminate from Tile or Floor and Decor, and it wasn't too expensive, but it was included as part of the package of building the unit. So everything in here except the washer and dryer, and except the appliances, which is the refrigerator, the microwave, the stove, washer and dryer, I had to buy those separately. But the construction cost of the whole unit was about $70,000, and it took about 6 months to complete. And the general contractor told me maybe it would take about 4 months, but I was pretty happy that it took 6, and it was completely done in 6 months. And some of it was delayed because of COVID-19. Anyways, here's just your basic bathroom. We have subway tile in the shower, and I really like the floor. Anyways, floor is from Floor and Decor or Tile and Decor. We have lights and fan up there, and I was really happy that we were able to use the backsplash, the 6-inch backsplash from the countertops as the threshold here in the shower. So that saves some money as well. And then of course I use the quartz countertop here, and that cabinet is from IKEA. So unfortunately my contractor didn't realize that IKEA lets you modify the plumbing, but since we got the sink from somewhere else, I think he had to cut that part on the cabinet, and so that was all included in the cost of doing the unit. I didn't really pay for anything extra, and he stayed within budget. And this is the bedroom. I'm using my chairs right now as nightstands just because I haven't had a chance to buy. I want to buy ladder bookshelves to put here against the wall. The bed frame, pretty interesting. It's from Living Spaces, and all the stuff on top is actually from IKEA. And I have a ceiling fan. I don't have the lights on, and we also put lights up in the closet there. So there's some light, one light there and one light there. But this